So man means, what it's trying to say, there are certain words in the Arabic language which you would learn. It is not, meaning it is indeclinable. And this is a word like man, it never changes. But it is still in the genitive case, majroor, but it never changes. Because now you'll be asking, why is it kitabu man? So mudaf, mudafun ilayh. Kitabu hamidin, mudaf, mudafun ilayh. Here you can see it's majroor. Baytul imami, you know it is majroor. But in kitabu man, whose book? Okay, so this man here, which means whose, is indeclinable. It's called mabni. Okay, this will come, it does not change to indicate its function. So what it simply means, it never changes. So there are certain words also in the Arabic language that never changes. Although it is in the genitive case, but it is indeclinable. Okay, and then you have another note, D. Ala maktabi mudarrisi. Note that maktabi is in the genitive case because of the preposition ala, and al-mudarrisi is in the genitive case because it is mudaf ilayh. And then I explain to you. Okay, ala maktabi mudarrisi. Then we have tahta. Under, the noun following tahta is in the genitive because it is mudaf ilayh. Tahta al-kitabi, tahta al-maktabi. So any noun that follows the word tahta is always genitive case. Okay, tahta al-maktabi. And number 3, ya is the vocative particle. A noun following ya has only one dhamma. When we say the word ya yasiru, ya aliyu, you cannot say ya aliyun, you cannot say ya muhammadun. That's another rule. The noun following harf nida, the vocative particle, is always or has one dhamma. An example, Bilal becomes ya Bilalu, ya Shaykhu, ya Ustadu. Okay? So now when you sing ya Allahu, ya Muhammadu, you cannot use a tanween at the end. So if you go back, now that you've understood, inshallah, the rule that you need to just apply. So we go back to Ad-Dars al-Khamisu, the 5th lesson, lesson 5. Okay, read again after me. Al-Kitabu Muhammadin hadha ya Yasiru. La hadha kitabu Hamidin. أين كتاب محمد؟ هو تحت المكتب هناك. أين دفتر عمار؟ هو على مكتب المدرس. قلم من هذا يا علي؟ قلم مضاف، من مضاف إليه. But because man is indeclinable, mudaf mudafun ilayh. So there are certain words that never changes. No change occurs to it. Man will always remain as man, even though it is mudafun ilayh. The book of who? Qalamu man. Whose pen is this? Ya Ali, you. Okay, we've understood why Ali doesn't have a tanween at the end. Aliyun, what does he say? Hada qalamul mudarrisi. Who doesn't understand the sentence? Yes, hada. Translate hada.
This is
Qalamul
pen.
mudarrisi. So if I say to you hada qalamun, what is the translation of hada qalamun?
This is the pen.
Yes. Hada qalamun. Translate. This is a pen. But now if I say to you hada qalamul mudarrisi, can I say qalamun now?
No.
No. So we remove the dhamma. Hada qalamul mudarrisi. This is the teacher's pen. So previously we only learned that hada qalamun means this is a pen. now we are learning that the pen belongs to a teacher. So this qalamul mudarrisin, this is the second part of the sentence. Hadha, the subject, qalamul mudarrisi is the predicate. But the rule is, qalam is marfu and mudarrisi is majroor. The rule is, qalam never takes alif lam in the beginning, never ends with tanween. The mudaf and the mudaf ilayh, that is the possessor, always ends in the genitive case, majroor. Okay, that's why there's a kasra there. Sa'id says, Aina, yes, who can read this? Aina haqibatul mudarrisi. Yes? What does haqiba mean? Yeah. How do we translate?
What does it mean?
Where is the teacher's bag? Aina means where. Haqibatun means? So if I say to you, Haqibatul mudarrisi. Haqiba means bag.
Teacher's bag.
Mudarrisi, teacher. So where is the teacher's bag? Okay, Aina haqibatul mudarrisi. So now you've learned another word that Aina means where. Aina, where? Where is the teacher's bag? Ali says, here. Tahta al-maktabi, it is under the table. Okay. So this was the first part, and that's what we needed to understand. So our today's lesson covers another rule, and that is when two nouns are annexed in the possessive case. The first part is called mudaf, the possessed, and the second part is called mudafun ilayh, the possessor. What is the rule of possessed and possessor? Okay, if something is possessed, yes. No, yes, the mudaf never takes alif lam in the beginning. So what I would like you to do now, I'm giving you a few minutes, if you can answer the following questions, and then we will continue. So what I need you to do is look at the exercise. أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the following questions. أين كتاب محمد؟ أين كتاب أعمال؟ أين حقيبة المدرس؟ And then I want you to do the next part. أضيف الكلمة الأولى إلى الثانية. Rewrite the two words in each group so that the second word is in the possessive form. Now if you go over these examples, that means you've understood the rule. Like they're giving you one example, Kitabun and Muhammad. So now, attach it, annex it. The first part to the second part, but in the possessive case. Kitab means a book, Muhammad means the name of a person. But if I say to you, Kitab Muhammadin, now means Muhammad book, so complete the rest of it. And then we'll continue after the break.